We Hindus worship Lord Narasimha for his capacity to purify hearts, destroy lust, and bestow fearlessness. It's a strong belief that his fierce form symbolizes the protection of good from evil and restoration of dharma. In my podcast series, Sacred Echo with Gurukulam, in this particular series, I take you through mantras that help with mitigating sins, curing diseases, and warding off negative influences of planets and evil forces. The first in this series is the Narasimha Prapati, and this particular shloka acts as a great protective shield, also called the Kavacham. It goes like this: Mata Narasimha, Pita Narasimha, Brata Narasimha, Sakha Narasimha, Vidya Narasimha, Dravinam Narasimha, Swami Narasimha, Sakalam Narasimha, Ito Narasimha, Parato Narasimha, Yato Yahihi, Tato Narasimha, Narasimha Devat, Paro Nakaschit, Tasman Narasimha, Sharanam Prapatye. My second shloka in this series is the Narasimha Mahamantram, and this particular mantra is a potent invocation seeking the blessings of Lord Narasimha and is a spiritual weapon against negative energies, source of courage, and a means to attain inner peace, thereby removing obstacles and providing protection. The last shloka in this series goes like this: Om Vajranakaya Vidmahe, Tikshnadamshtraya Dhimahe, Tanno Narasimha Prachodayat. This particular mantra presents the Lord as the ultimate destroyer of evil and guardian of pure hearted devotees, blending terror for the wicked and tender protection for the righteous. I hope this podcast helps. Thanks for listening. I will be back soon with yet another podcast. Till such time, it's Divya. Mantras are the core of ancient Indian Hindu philosophy and occur at every stage of our life on our path in discovering the ancient Indian way of spiritual life. Mantras are the ancient vibrational tools used in the spiritual tradition of Hinduism to concentrate the mind and connect with the divine. In my podcast series, Sacred Echo with Gurukulam, I take you through mantras that help with mental clarity, emotional imbalance, education, wisdom or knowledge, good health, and spiritual growth, as these mantras offer powerful benefits that transcend time. Join me, Divya Swami, in learning about mantras that bring some depth and richness in your well being and overall growth. कुछ बातों का मतलब कुछ मतलब की बातें क्या मतलब महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात् ओम